Good morning, students. Today we are going to revise a motivational story from your Fragrance Reader book, that is The Girls and the Lotus. By the end, you will be able to express story in your own words, meaning of difficult words and phrases, and answer the related questions. Students, you have already done this chapter earlier, so today we are going to revise this chapter. So students, we will begin our revision by reading pages 13 and 14 today. But before proceeding further, we will discuss the brief summary and detailed summary of the chapter. First of all, we will revise the brief summary of the chapter. This chapter is about two good friends named Usha and Lalita who quarreled over a lotus. But they soon realized their mistake and made up with each other. So, this chapter tells about the importance of friends in our life. Now, we will move on to the detailed summary of the chapter. There lived a wise man in a beautiful hut on the top of a hill. Two friends named Usha and Lalita enjoyed talking to the wise man. There was a beautiful tree in the center of the courtyard, which the wise man decorated with those flowers the girls brought for him. He always told them what each flower, when offered, got for the person who brought it. One day, they brought roses, and the wise man said that they would get love and peace. Then Usha asked what if she offered a lotus. The wise man then explained that it is the queen of all flowers, and if she would offer a lotus, she would become a better person. Usha told Lalita that she saw a lotus bud in the old pond that would blossom by that night. The next day, early in the morning, Lalita took out that lotus from the pond and offered it to the wise man, while Usha hid behind a bush watching all this. The wise man thought that it was Usha and was going to offer the flower in her name. Lalita also agreed that she was Usha, but Usha, who was watching all this behind the bush, could no longer control her tears and shouted that it was Lalita who had brought the flower. Both the friends quarreled over the lotus while tears flowed down their cheeks. The wise man said that he would offer the lotus on the names of both the girls, and both of them would grow to be much better persons. With this, both of them realized their mistake and made up with each other. This tells that friends are the essence of life. Now students, we will begin with the reading of page number 13. But first of all, we will revise the word meaning and phrases on this page. So let's start. Our first word is important. I-M-P-O-R-T-A-N-T, which means having special value. Next, quarrel. Q-U-A-R-R-E-L. Fight. Realize. R-E-A-L-I-S-E. To become aware. Mistake. M-I-S-T-A-K-E. Fault. Beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, which means pretty. Next, wise. Intelligent. Courtyard. C-O-U-R-T-Y-A-R-D. An open space. Decorate. DECORATE. To make something more attractive. Offered. OFFERED. Presented. Peace, which means calm. Now we will discuss phrases on this page. First phrase is in our life, हमारी जिंदगी में. With each other, एक दूसरे के साथ. On the top of a hill, पहाड़ी की चोटी पर. At the center, बीच में. To the wise man, समझदार आदमी को. With flowers, फूलों के साथ. For him, उसके लिए. To the girls, लड़कियों को. Now we will start with the reading. On the top of a hill is a beautiful hut. In it lives a wise man. At the center of the courtyard is a beautiful tree. Usha, dressed in yellow, and Lalita, dressed in red, enjoy talking to the wise man. Every morning, the two dear friends watch him decorate the beautiful tree with flowers they bring for him. In this, on the top of a hill, there was a beautiful hut where lived a wise man. At the center of the courtyard, there was a beautiful tree. There were two friends named Usha and Lalita who enjoyed talking to the wise man. And every morning, these two friends watched the wise man decorating the beautiful tree with flowers they brought for him. So, where was the beautiful hut? The beautiful hut was on the top of a hill. Name the two good friends. Usha and Lalita were two good friends. The wise man talks to the girls every day. He tells them what each flower, when offered, gets for the person who brings it. So, wise man said, "So today they are roses, aren't they? You will get love and peace." Lalita said, "We have brought roses today." On this, Usha asked, "What if I offer a lotus?" Wise man replied, "Lotus, the queen of all flowers. When you offer a lotus, you become a better person." So the wise man talked to the girls every day, and he told them what each flower, when offered, get for the person who brought it. So on that day, these girls had brought the roses, and the wise man told that they would get love and peace for roses. So on this, Usha asked what if she would offer a lotus. To this, the wise man replied, "Lotus, it is the queen of all flowers, and when she would offer a lotus, she would become a better person." So, what did the girls bring that day? The girls brought roses that day. Which flower did Usha want to offer? Usha wanted to offer a lotus, which is the queen of all flowers. Now, we will begin with the reading of page number 14. But first of all, we will revise the difficult words and phrases on this page. So our first word is delighted. DELIGHTED, which means pleased. Pond, an artificial lake. Blossom,
S-O-M, which means flower. Pluck, to pull out. Affected, A-F-F-E-C-T-E-D, which means to have an influence. Next, come to picture 4, hides, covers. Confided in, C-O-N-F-I-D-E-D, in, confided in, shared the secrets. Now come to picture 5, wonderful, W-O-N-D-E-R-F-U-L, which means amazing. Pity, mercy. Next, confuse, C-O-N-F-U-S-E, which means puzzle. Come to picture 6, peeping, P-E-E-P-I-N-G, means looking quickly and secretly. Now we will discuss the phrases on this page. So come to first phrase, side of the hill, पहाड़ों की दूसरी तरफ. Next come to fourth picture, in the morning, सुबह में. Out of the pond, तालाब से बाहर. In her hand, उसके हाथ में. On the tree, पेड़ पर. In sixth picture, behind the bush, झाड़ी के पीछे. Let's start reading. Usha is delighted. Now Usha said, remember the old pond on the other side of the hill? I saw a lotus bud there. It should blossom by tonight. I'll pluck it tomorrow early morning and bring it here. Now on this, Lalita asked, but where will you find the lotus? Lalita tells Usha that the pond belongs to her father, but Usha is not affected by it. Now in fourth picture, the next day early in the morning, Usha reaches the pond, but suddenly her heart almost stopped beating. She sees somebody climb out of the pond. It is Lalita, and she has the lotus in her hand. Usha hides behind a bush. Lalita quickly begins climbing the hill. Usha is sad that Lalita has not confided in her.
Usha told Lalita about the lotus, that she had seen a lotus bud in the old pond on the other side of the hill. It would blossom by that night, and Lalita told Usha that that pond belonged to her father. So next day in the morning, when Usha reached the pond, she saw that Lalita was in the pond holding the lotus in her hand. Usha was hidden behind the bush watching Lalita, but she felt sad as Lalita had not talked to her about it.
Now what did Usha tell Lalita about the lotus? Usha told Lalita that she saw a lotus bird in the old pond which was on the other side of the hill. Now why was Usha sad? Usha was sad because Lalita had not confided in her. Now moving on to fifth picture, let's start its reading. Lalita stands before the wise man. Lalita said, I have brought a lotus. Wise man replied, Lotus? Wonderful! I'll put the flower on the tree in your name. It is Usha, isn't it? It's a pity. I cannot see clearly and always confuse Usha with Lalita. In sixth picture, Lalita does not answer, and Usha, who is hiding and peeping from behind the bush, can no longer control her tears.
When Lalita took out that lotus from the pond, she stood before the wise man and offered the lotus to him. And as wise man got confused between Usha and Lalita, so he asked if it was Usha, as he could not see clearly. But Lalita did not answer, and Usha, who was hiding behind the bush, could no longer control her tears.
So who hid herself behind the bush? Usha hid herself behind the bush.
Why did the wise man always confuse Usha with Lalita?
The wise man always confused Usha with Lalita because he could not see clearly. So students, today we have discussed the brief summary and detailed summary of the chapter and did reading of page number 13 and 14 and also revised word meaning and phrases on these pages. Now you all have to read this chapter till what we have done today thoroughly for better understanding. And all of you have to learn the word meaning and the sentences given at page number 12.
Thank you.